All right, what's up, guys? It's John, your favorite anti-psychiatrist, here today with more dark truths about our mental health industry. So did you guys know that the chemical imbalance theory of mental illness has never actually been proven? And if you guys don't know what this is basically the theory that says that mental illness is caused by chemical imbalances in the brain. Now, they've researched this, and the evidence actually shows that there's no chemical or structural differences in the brain of someone with a mental illness compared to somebody who's mentally healthy. So if there's no evidence to support it, we have to ask, where did this theory come from? And the answer is actually very simple. They first invented the psychotropic medications, the antidepressants and the antipsychotics, and they found that these medications are changing the chemicals in your brain. So then they had to invent a theory about why these medications are supposedly effective. So they came up with a theory that if the medication changes your brain chemicals, that means you must have been sick because your brain chemicals are all messed up. And again, they've researched this and they found no proof that that is actually the case. So this is entirely a theory made up to push the medication and the agenda behind it. And just a simple example to explain it to you guys. If you take some sort of drug like marijuana or an illegal drug like methamphetamine or cocaine, it's going to change the way your brain functions. It's going to change the way you feel. But that doesn't mean that your brain had some sort of chemical imbalance. All that means is that the drug you are putting into your body is changing you, right? So it's the same thing with psychotropic medications, antidepressants, antipsychotics, anti-anxiety. All these medications change the way that your brain functions. So that does not mean that there's actually anything wrong with your brain. All it means is that when you take a drug and put it into your body, your brain is going to respond and you're going to feel different. Now, some people might feel better, some people might feel worse, but we have to talk about the fact that the biggest theory pushing these drugs on people is entirely false.